Yeah. So yes, I just took a bath to clean my body. I went on a run today, and my hair is still fairly clean according to me. Tonight I'm gonna put some ink box tattoos on myself, and I'm very excited about these because I'm like legit thinking of getting a tattoo, you guys, and like these are actually really close to ones that I want to get. But first I'm actually going to take care of my skin real quick. I use this every morning and every night. This is the benzoyl peroxide treatment from acne.org. Amazing stuff. Now I will be putting on this Gold Mountain Beauty drying lotion. This is amazing for acne and spot treatments. God, it's a self-help night, okay? Don't judge me. Oh, this is so good. Hey guys, so it's actually the next morning. I literally fell asleep after that bath. I just can't after baths, I guess, stay up. They like just literally put me to sleep. But I'm really excited about these tattoos, so I'm gonna show you guys. So I love Inkbox because I've worked with them before and they're just so sweet. This video is not sponsored by them, by the way. I'm just doing 2 sponsored Instagram posts. But I just love these tattoos so much, I have to show you guys. And they do take like 24 hours to actually appear on your skin. So I'm really excited about this one and this one in particular. Now you guys are probably wondering, what comes next? Well, that would be the nails. I am not, oh my god. Most wanted criminal at work, caught red-handed. Lincoln, hey! Don't do that to your bandana. That's yours. It's cute. You like it. Remember? You like that. You like that bandana. Don't destroy it. But anyways, I am putting on this dark green color. This is by Karma Hues and there's no toluene. It is one of the very few cruelty-free nail polish brands. Yeah, I had to find this at my health food store. And if you want me to be extra real here, my wallet ain't too thick. Bam, focus. So I'm trying to do this the affordable way, so that's why I'm not going to get my nails done. I'm also going to be spending money already on other stuff in this video, so you will see soon. I'm excited. Okay, so to get rid of the unwanted paint, I get a Q-tip. I'm gonna use this nail polish remover. This is actually by the same brand, Karma. It actually smells like lavender oil. I am not kidding. It's made of soybean oil and lavender. We are here now to do my face. Go from crust to thrust. That was really inappropriate sounding. I'm just gonna use my old Fenty Beauty foundation. Then she applied the Milk Makeup Concealer and Translucent Powder. So I have this palette here called Smoke Show. I'm just gonna take Young Love's Very White. Just put it on my lids. It's a fantastic white shade. I feel like I barely had to get into that to really get the pigment out. And that's what I like. And then from the Born to Run Urban Decay palette, I used the shade Riff, and I'm kind of just putting that all in my outer corner and in my crease. And then I take the darker brown color, I think it's called Good Is Gone, and I'm kind of just almost no pressure on the brush. I'm like sweeping that in a V formation. And then I take that original orangey color into, and I kind of just blend it all in. And now with the liner, right now I'm using the Il Makiage liquid liner, but then I switched over to the new ColourPop eyeliner, and now I'm using the Il Makiage Icon mascara. I'm using my Tarte Cosmetics Park Ave Princess bronzer. Not too much because your girl's getting more pale. I'm using the Soulmate blush from ColourPop, and then I'm applying the Pillow Talk shade of highlighter from Ofra. Get my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. So this sweater looks good with my makeup and my eye color. Look at that. I think I'm gonna go do some fall shopping. I'm gonna go find hopefully some new socks and some new candles. My hair is a little greasy, so that's why I threw her in a bun. This is my outfit for today. This is a turtleneck that I found so long ago, probably a couple years ago in Forever 21. And then I found these jeans at this local boutique I have, classic mom jeans. And then down here, I actually am wearing some Vince Camuto booties, and I actually found these for $15 at Plato's Closet. Little fall. Lincoln, what the fuck? Where are you? Let's go retrieve my creature. Lincoln, come on, boy. Come on, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Are you having fun? Oh, he sees I'm wearing shoes and he's like, oh, where are we going? Where are we going? So I just got this like string of fall leaves from Hobby Lobby, and all of these are actually just attached onto here through a little bendy cord. So what I'm doing is just detaching it and then attaching it onto my lights back here. Welcome to fall. I'm just kidding. Oh my god. So it's like way later in the night. More specifically, oh look at that. I got 2 new Instagram comments. Go follow me on Instagram. It's 12:34 a.m. in the morning. Show you guys the things that I picked up today because I went shopping and I'm not good at filming in public. I like really can't be myself on camera in public. Like I can't do that. Like film everything in front of me, like in public, like of course in the wilderness. And I just ran like 4.2 miles. And I'm just like enjoying nature with Lincoln right now. It's like 10:30 the next morning, by the way. My tattoos are in pretty good shape. This is like my favorite. I think I made my mind up that I definitely want to have my wedding in the forest. And I know that's really random. And no, we're not thinking about getting married anytime soon. Still very in love and committed, but not there yet. I took a shower as soon as I got home. No, but I actually, like, next time I get paid, guys, I really want to go get a tattoo. Or maybe 2 tattoos. Like, I legit just said that shit to Abel. He was like, really? I was like, yes, really, bitch. You already know, Milk Makeup Concealer. Since I did heavy lashes yesterday, I need to give my real lashes today a break. So I'm going to be doing liner, but I'm gonna be doing brown liner, Milk Makeup Blur and Set. So I'm gonna use this. This is a Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. First, I will be spraying this setting spray. That bitch just took her potential and ran. I've really been liking the Il Makiage Icon High Volume Mascara. Remember to swirl the wand inside the tube and not pump it, because that means you'll just dry it out faster because all the air is getting in it. Kat Von D contour brush, Tarte Princess Ave bronzer. ColourPop's Fresh and Peachy. Clear brow gel. So for lips today, I put on this ColourPop and Zoella collaboration lippy. This is called Oh Snap. It's like a pretty rosy mauve color. Okay, so about this mini fall try-on haul. So your girl found this at the Goodwill. It's a new fave, a new, you know, just a neutral thing to wear. I love ribbed stuff. I love me a green turtleneck. We all know I love turtlenecks. Your girl also copped herself a jean jacket. Look at that. She's vintage, okay. And is this not like the most artsy jacket you've ever seen? And at the same time, like, wow, she's a boss. Wow, who is she? I love her. And then I went to TJ Maxx originally for candles, but then I could not resist their socks. I saw these Steve Madden boot socks. They're so soft and I'm obsessed. But leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see a fall lookbook, because I'm thinking about it.